Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! JK, this is not my area.
Issued at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flash flood watch in effect from 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening through Thursday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Central Virginia, East Central Virginia, Eastern Virginia, South Central Virginia, and Southeast Virginia, including the following areas: in Central Virginia, Eastern Chesterfield, including Call Heights, Eastern Hanover, Eastern including the city of Richmond. In East Central Virginia, Charles City, Eastern Essex, Eastern King William, Eastern King and Queen, New Kent, Richmond, Western Essex, Western King William, Western King and Queen, and Westmoreland. In Eastern Virginia, Gloucester,
I'm sorry.
Lancaster,
What?
Middlesex, and Northumberland. In South Central Virginia, Brunswick, Dinwiddie, and Prince George. In Southeast Virginia, Chesapeake, Greensville, Hampton, Cousin, Isle of Wight, James City, Newport News, North
Yeah, I agree with you.
Southampton, Suffolk,
I agree with you.
Virginia Beach, and York.
Virginia Beach, pull a flash flood warning out of there.
Several rounds of showers and a few thunderstorms are expected from this evening through the day on Thursday as a slow-moving cold front crosses the area. This will result in 2 to 4 inches of rain with locally higher amounts possible. The runoff from this much rainfall will likely result in localized flash flooding. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation.
Or, I should say, flash
Monitor
flood
later forecasts
watch.
and be prepared to take action should
This is my
flash
first
flood
one I
warning
ever
be
called.
issued. Repeating, a flash flood watch has been issued from 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday for the following counties: in Virginia, Brunswick, Charles City,